Well, we are making progress. I've got the swing arm all fabricated up last night. Just kind of slapped everything together so I can put some tacks on there. We got a swing arm. We're gonna have suspension. It's gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna build my shock mount. Build the rest of my cage around my swing arm. Might put some 20-inch. Oh, what do you think? That's too much, huh? I think 20-inch apes are a little too much, but we got some baby apes. Got all kinds of stuff. Haven't decided yet. Stay tuned. We're swinging. Woo! Yes, sir.